Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but it's good to be back here again. So today I'm going to be showing us how to make another type of Nigerian bridal hand fan, luxury hand fan. So here are the things I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a glue, alternatively the glue gun, some trimmings. I fell in love with this when I went to the fabric store. I'm going to be using the trimmings. This is another trimming. I had this from the house, so I just brought it out. I also had this at home, and then feathers and some fringes. So the other one I made initially was a Chinese hand fan type. So this one is the traditional fan shape. So you know, for every luxury hand fan you need a base. I like to call it the skeleton or the bone. So this is the bone I'm going to be using, but this is a little bit too wide because the feathers I have appear to be smaller than usual. I got this also from the fabric store. So I'm going to be trimming this. I'm going to be trimming it to the black area alone. Now if you look closely, this fan is a Nigerian traditional hand fan. It's made of straw, and you can see that each layer was tacked or sewn together with straw. So when I cut this off, I'm going to tack around it, you know, and then I'm going to be coating it or covering it with this piece of cloth, because I picked this piece of cloth because I'm making, you know, a silver or ash or gray, I don't know what color you want to call it, hand fan. So yeah, so I picked this so that if there's any bald spot, it's not going to show. So I'm cutting now. Okay. So I trimmed this off because I just want to work safe. I don't want a situation whereby the fan will be, you know, too big and there will be no feathers to cover it up. So you can afford to be messy with this one. Nothing major. So this is this. You can see that the outline I cut is a little bit bigger than So basically you could tack this or you just glue it with your glue gun. Whichever one you want is going to work fine. So you can afford to be a little bit messy with this because you're going to be covering all of this up, so it really doesn't matter. Yes, I'm done, guys. It took forever, in my own opinion, to complete this. This is one of the parts I really don't like doing. I'm going to secure it some more here. Whew. Beautiful. Okay, I'm done with that. Ooh. It's really hot. Ow. So now we're ready to start making the fan. So this comes like this. So here's what I like to do.
So for a while, until you're done with this, you have
So basically you just continue doing this in a circular motion until you're completed the first layer. You know, I would have reduced it some more. Apparently, even this the reduction, you know, I made wasn't enough, because I really don't want to use more than my 2 packs of feathers. So some people also do this and put a more presentable covering, then they only place feathers on one side and not on the other. But for me, I want feathers on both sides. I want feathers on both sides, so I'm placing from here. I'm not placing from the bottom. Okay, so if I feel like I need more fullness, I'm going to, you know, I'm going to fill it up from beneath. Okay, so I think for this one I'm going to go with this. I think I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to put this in the middle. I'm going to put this in the middle. Okay, and that's it. I mean, for this one, I want it to have a uniform edge. At this point, I've completely run out of feathers.
but
I think one should be in the middle. Other option would be to do this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have found this helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.